Hello guys, well we're back in my bathroom. It's time for me to wash my face, brush my teeth, and remove my makeup. But I've been having these products sitting on my dresser and you guys probably see them and I don't touch them and I don't want to touch them until I show them to you guys and tell you guys a little bit more about it. I know you guys heard of that trend called oil pulling, where people grab a spoon of coconut oil, organic, clean, cold, whatever, coconut oil, and they swish it in their mouth and it cleans and it removes bacteria and it helps your gums. You guys, I didn't do no special formula. I didn't buy a very high-end oil. I do this all the time. I always have a jar of coconut oil in my bathroom since before I even left my mom's house. So at least 10-11 years I've always had a jar. In fact, I have two. I have a huge one over there. This one's a Whole Foods brand, but again, just coconut oil. Has improved my teeth and my gums so well. Out of nowhere, all of a sudden I was getting my gums were bleeding when I would brush my teeth, and stopped because of coconut oil, okay? Then, on the internet, on TikTok to be specific, I started coming across Guru Nanda products and I've been posting them on my TikTok. I'm new to TikTok, so please go follow me. I'll try to leave the link somewhere in here or down below in the description. I need at least 1,000 followers, please, so I can go live. So this is the Guru Nanda oil pulling oil. Okay, this one has mint and it's a natural teeth whitening, but it has coconut oil. Okay, this little thing right here has been healing people's teeth, gums, and having better oral health. Or hygiene, if I should say it that way. It's more liquidy. A lot of people were very hesitant to do this. Honestly, I don't even care, because at this point, when it's in your mouth, it melts down. I don't care. I don't mind it because it's helping my teeth and my gums a lot. Some people have even reversed their cavities and root canals, remineralized their teeth with just with coconut oil. And these products are even more special. For example, sorry, I feel like I have to go like this. So it has peppermint oil, spearmint, clove oil, tea tree, cardamom, oregano, fennel, vitamin E, vitamin D, stevia, I guess to give it like a sweet taste, and vitamin K2. So it has vitamins, but it's pulling oil. So it pulls bacterias, it pulls gunk out of your teeth. It's dentist recommended, and it's very liquefied. So a little bit of this goes a long way, and it comes with a little cup. You fill it up to like 10 milliliters, 10 milliliters, and you swish at least, if you can. I do it in the bathroom. When I'm taking a shower, I put coconut oil, okay? I'm not done with this, and I'm not done with that big old jar I have over there. And I want to finish this, but you're probably gonna ask me, like, Isabel, what's the best? Which one should I use? Which one should I get? This will work wonders alone, okay? But if you can get this, or do both of them, if you want to start off with this and then try this, both of them will do. This one is already solidified. This one is not. It melts in your mouth, whatever. Honestly, I can't wait to... Well, I can start this because I use coconut oil on my body. Sorry, I don't want to confuse you guys, but I didn't want to open them yet until I show them to you guys. So my gums have changed so much. They used to be dark up here. Like, they used to be red. Okay, they used to be dark and red. No more. And then I was like, oh my god, I have to have this. I also bought the concentrated mouthwash, which is a mouthwash as well. This one contains, let me see, it has peppermint oil, cardamom, clove, vitamin E, vitamin D, spearmint, fennel, tea tree, oregano, jasmine oil as well. This is a concentrated wash. For this one, all you need is 4 to 6 drops into this filled with water. Put it in your mouth, swish, wash. This is actually concentrated, okay? Don't forget that it's concentrated. You can keep this in your purse, on the go, in the bathroom, at your girlfriend's, at your boyfriend's, at work, at school, your locker, anywhere. You can keep it. It's this small. And it smells amazing. The day that I got it in the mail, like as soon as I opened my mailbox, the smell of this came out. It smells so good. And then he also has a whitening duo. This one has 2 reservoirs. So it has let me read it for you. It has a peroxide with 100% essential oils. And then on the other one, it has like citric acid, hydrogen peroxide. The white chamber offers teeth whitening. And then the clear chamber helps create fresh breath, happier gums, healthier gums as well. So this is like 2 products in one. This is going to keep your teeth healthy. It comes like this. You pour it in here. Like they both come out. You just go like this. Mmm. Mm-hmm. It tastes good. It tastes sweet. I love it. All right, this one's also gonna offer whiter teeth and fresher breath. It's dentist recommended. 2 chambers. This is only like $12, guys, but it's natural. All these chemical stuff, like these, let me show you. I already have them in my bathroom, and now I'm just like, who do I give them to? I don't want them. I don't want them. They're not natural. They're not good for you. They're not good. They're not good. So now I don't know what to do. I bought them months ago. I think I got this one like a year ago. Yeah, a year ago, because my teeth was hurting and so did this one. So now I'm like, what do I do with it? I don't want it. It's not gonna work for me because I found this. This is natural. It has oils that help kill bacteria, fresh breath, good for your teeth, good for your gums. My gums are now like pink, y'all. They used to be hella dark up here. Now they're pink. But again, these products are not expensive. I think this one was only like $8. This one was like $6. This one is the one that got me because it's only 2 ounces, but this will replace a large. You can get 300 uses in this, okay? 300 uses, 300 times wash your mouth. So this is gonna last you forever. That's what I'm saying. Keep it at work, keep it in your purse, keep it in your car. A couple of drops of water, swish your mouth anywhere, and have fresh breath at any time. Like, I'm very picky when it comes to my teeth, guys, because I have a heart problem, okay? I was born with a heart problem, so was Valentina, and oral care and oral hygiene is very, 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 like, you gotta be on top of it because, you know, teeth can get infected. They can get rotten, and yeah, I'm missing teeth, but that's because I've chosen to pull my teeth out. You cannot convince me that getting a root canal is going to save me. Like, I'd rather get dentures by the time I'm 40 years old and have no teeth rather than having a mouth full of, what are they called? Root canals. So, I also bought the tongue scrapers. I did not buy everything in one purchase, okay? I bought everything, like one day I bought 2 products, another day I bought another product, the next day I bought another product. This one I bought it in store. This one is 2 tongue scrapers, one's for, I was gonna say Alan, one's for Henry, one's for me. We haven't used them yet, we're gonna start using them. I wanted to show them to you guys first. And it comes with the free pulling oil packet. I believe they also sell these on their website at gurunanda.com. These are good for traveling on the go, at work, at school, in your backpack. And some of this stuff came with free little stuff, like these little pickers. And then one of them came with a toothbrush. And this brush is so different. You guys, it's like so soft. You would think that's not gonna brush my teeth. It's so gentle. I love it. It's so different. Then I went to Big Lots one day and I found their charcoal ones, which are these. And it's it's a 6-piece for only $5. 6 toothbrushes for $5, and it's charcoal infused right here. There's different toothbrushes as well. I'm not getting paid to show you this stuff. I bought this with my own money, and I also bought Valentina her own little toothbrushes by Guru Nanda as well. And she says they feel different. She likes them better, and they're 2 for $3.50. And it also comes with a little like sand timer for 2 minutes to help your kids brush their teeth in 2 minutes effectively. So until the timer runs, you stop brushing your teeth. So yeah, that's basically it. I'll show you guys the products again. This is a mouthwash whitening. This is the teeth whitening oil pulling. This is like the original formula. And again, their products are so good. Like, I've read their ingredients. I've been on their website. I also have the Halo XL humidifier. I recently bought the $60 essential box, which is the box for your essential oils. I'll show you guys that in another video. This is probably gonna be too much. You guys are probably thinking, Isabel, don't lie to us. They sent this to you because it's too much. It's affordable. I think the thing that costed me the most is the box, but it's worth it because it's the box to put your essential oils plus 36 essential oils, okay? If I buy one essential oil from their brand that is like almost $7 times 36, that's like $100. And the box was 60 plus 36 oils, and they sent me 40 oils. Okay, they sent me a total of 40 oils, so they go extra in sending you freebies, which I appreciate, and I will always support a company that does that. But yeah, let me know if you guys have heard anything about this brand. It's called Guru Nanda online. You can see it on TikTok. There's a bunch of testimonials on their essential oils, on their products. There's a lot of people sharing their experience and how much these oils have changed, and their mouthwashes have changed their teeth and their teeth health and their gum health, period. Is that it? Yeah, I think that's it. I'll have to show you guys my diffuser on another video because it's already too long. But it's huge. It's like this big, and it runs for up to 22 hours. I have never seen an oil diffuser humidifier run for 22 hours. No diffuser, if I'm correct, goes for 22 hours. So I was like, I have to have it. I have to have it. Please, I have to have it. Henry bought it for me. I told him to get it for me for my birthday because my birthday is November 11. And of course, for my birthday, I always ask for like home gadgets, pots, pans, toasters, blenders. Never anything for me personally. But this stuff, again, I bought it like a month ago, but I didn't want to touch it until I shared it with you guys. I'll give you guys an update after of how I feel about the products, but so far, like, even though I just tried this, I love it. Like, I love it. So I don't know what to say. If you guys have any questions, leave it in the comment section. And if you don't believe me about these products, go to TikTok. Go to TikTok and you'll see tons of videos of people swearing by these products, improving their oral health, their teeth, their gums, even reversing their cavities. You could also do a dental pink salt. This one is a dental pink salt. This is just like Himalayan salt crushed. Himalayan salt has minerals, so this remineralizes your teeth. You guys have to get them. You have to get them. And if you can't buy any of that, it's okay. A jar of this. Start off with a jar of this. Take some pictures of your teeth and your gums before you start, just so you can see for yourself how much it will improve. I swear by this. I promise. I'm not sponsored. Everything I have purchased and showed has been with my money. Right, so that's it. Thank you guys again, and I'll see you next one. I'll see you on the next one. I can't talk today. I don't know why, but bye, bye, bye.